Hello, welcome back to Bites MD. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy, delicious rice bowl. I have here black rice. This is also known as forbidden rice. It is very highly nutritious and filled with a lot of iron, fiber, and antioxidants. I'm going to add some cumin, smoked paprika, a little touch of salt, some black pepper. I'm going to add a bay leaf in there, a touch of olive oil, some fresh thyme. I'm going to just cook this in the rice cooker. Oh, I wish you can smell it right now. I'm going to remove the thyme and the bay leaf. So we're just going to finely chop these up. The tomatoes we're going to cut into fours. So the nice thing about a raw vegetable diet is that it retains a lot of its nutrition, because when you boil things, a lot of times the nutrition is degraded due to the high heat. For the purple onion, we're going to finely chop these up and then also soak it in cold water for at least half an hour. This will remove its pungency, so it's a lot more edible raw. I have here chuck flap tail. This is a pretty tasty meat, but it's a little bit on the chewier side. By the way, I just seasoned this with seasoning salt and black pepper. Be sure to let it rest as well. The skirt steak will also be a good substitute. Top it off with a little cilantro and some lemon juice.
Welcome to Fruit or I'm joking, I'm joking. Oh wow, this looks beautiful. Okay, I like it. Tell me, what is this supposed to be, like a hanger steak rice bowl? Or just like one of those Spanish dishes?
It is a rice bowl, but it is not a hanger stick, but close. It is a chuck flap tail. So it's just as flavorful, but a little bit chewier compared to a hanger stick.
Well, I will say that the colors make this dish look so appetizing. So it better taste, it should hopefully taste good. Can I mix it?
Yeah, you can mix it. Oh, there's like roasted jalapeno peppers in yours.
Then I'm very excited.
It's pretty spicy. I only gave it a little bit. If you want more, let me know.
Love me a rainbow dish. I love all the fresh, crisp vegetables. Is there some lemon in here too? Yeah, it tastes like zesty.
Gotta make it more vibrant.
This is perfect. It's giving me like summer salad, but a little bit more heavier, if that makes sense, because there's rice and steak in here. But I love that freshness of like biting into like crisp vegetables. It gets me every time. This is really good. Steak is good too, baby. Good job. If I'm eating it aggressively fast, it's because I'm starved. And it's delicious. It's like the perfect combo, you know? You're forgiven.
From what? From a biryani.
I wasn't even going there. I just meant you're forgiven for all negative things you've done for 1 week. But yeah, you're forgiven for the biryani too.